Fairy Garden Thursday, hosted by Grandma Sandy and co-hosts are Sandra Lynn, Home and Garden, and Barbara Daly, Rural Life in the Valley, and myself, Sharon Schernagle. Enjoy! Needs a roof. I put a roof on it once already, and it blew off in the wind, so that's no good. So this time I have a clay pot in there. That's what the building's made around. And I'm just going to take this off here too. It's too messy. Okay. And I'm going to put this on here. And I'm just going to cover it all with moss. And I think it should hold pretty good. I have some fresh moss. Might need one of these sticks for here, I don't know. Anyhow, as usual, I have to wait for my glue gun. Welcome to my channel. And if you are new here, thank you for clicking on my channel. I sure hope you stay till the end and see how this turns out. I am going to put it in a wheelbarrow outside. That should be lots of fun to watch. So we are just waiting for this old glue gun to heat up. I always forget to plug it in. Oh well, someday I will learn. And I'd like to send a big YouTube hug out to all my regulars who watch. Thank you very much for watching. And don't forget to watch the other two ladies that are hosts of this collaboration. And Grandma Sandy, we haven't seen a new video from her for a while, but I hope she's all right. Okay, let's get on with. Well, one of the YouTuber's worst nightmare. My camera was not filming what I was doing. Anyhow, as you can see, I got all the moss on the roof, and I glued it all down very well. And so hopefully when the wind blows, because the wind blows lots in Lethbridge, the moss will stay on the fairy house. So we'll just watch the last little bit of moss going on and tucking in, and see, I've got my finger protectors on to keep them nice and protect. And I think that's pretty darn good. This is an old wheelbarrow that I bought off of Facebook, and I got it for $50, and it's really heavy and old, so I know it's not going to blow away in the wind. Anyhow, I love to plant in it, and when I bought the wheelbarrow, the girl was quite surprised that I was using this as a planter. Anyhow, I love it, and I think it looks great with a big fairy garden, with a big fairy house in it. So this is what we're going to do. As you can see, my daughter and son-in-law are here visiting, and she is helping me get my fairy garden in the wheelbarrow all planted up and looking sweet. Okay, let's go back to the video.
I got them right here.
Pointy up ones? Yeah.
Yeah.
Get those around in the back. Make sure we're looking at what we're doing.
There's another package of them. Do you want the third package too?
No, I don't think so. I think this will be good.
You want the time?
Yeah. And that one plant that you gave me a while ago. It's on the table here.
Yeah. So you want this? This is nice. I think this might be a perennial, you know.
Oh, that's good. I can stick it in.
Yeah, it's a perennial.
Oh, good. I can put some in my rocks over here maybe as it grows.
Yeah. It's a nice, nicely established little bush.
This hurts my back.
Oh, do you want me to do
Not
it?
good. No.
Yeah, those are pretty. It's neat to see them when they're big.
How do you say this?
Celosia?
Colosia?
Feathery plumes. Celosia. That's what I would say. Because it's a C and an E.
Mm-hmm.
So celosia. Or colosia, I don't know. We could ask Google to tell us how to pronounce it.
Yeah.
Do you want to put this tag in with them? No, okay. Is this your Thursday video?
Huh?
Is this your Thursday video?
Yeah. I got part of it already because I have a little bit of video of me redoing this very house.
Are you keeping this kind of stuff?
The roof. You can just put it under the stairs. I like to use it to put in pots and stuff. Yep. For filler.
Do you want a chair over there so you can sit down?
I'm just about done.
Okay. I wonder how big those get.
I don't know.
I've never really planted them. I'll have to see what they do when you have them.
You can put those under there too.
They're all ripped up though.
Yeah, I know, but
you can crunch them. I get it. I get it. Yeah, I get it.
Pots.
Yeah, I didn't quite clue into that yet. Yeah, that's pretty.
Chicken.
That is pretty.
Yeah, I think that's cute.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
I think this is kind of a ground cover too.
Yeah, I think it is. Whoa.
Just stick here. See what happens.
Oh, I bet you if you hit it with some Miracle-Gro, it'll come back.
Probably. I've got my strap. It's over there.
Like the liquid stuff or
No,
shake?
The shake stuff we can just put in this one.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Do you have to twist it or open it? I just take the lid off.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, I can't always find I can't open that.
Do you want to do it or you want me to do it?
Oh, you can do it. Just put some around all of them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I forgot to put the chicken coop in here. There we go.
Do you want something else for in the front
This
there?
is time.
You're gonna have to dig way down for that guy.
Just gonna hope I can rip it up.
Do you want a spade? Smash down in it? I just saw your spade. Where the heck did I just see it? Oh, in here.
Here.
Here, give it to me and I'll get it through the on the ground.
Oh, you're going to cut the bottom off?
Well, no, I was just going to go through the middle
Oh, okay.
with your spade.
There we go.
Cut it in half. You know, your daughter trying not to get her hands dirty, but
Oh,
too late.
too late.
There you go. You want the other half to go somewhere else, or?
Oh, I think I'm going to put it in here.
Okay. I just thought I'd go set it
Put
some.
here.
Okay. There you go. Oh, is that too much?
No. No, I don't think you can put too much of that stuff.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Okay, that should be
Can you pass me that? I'll put it under the stairs. Oh, those are gonna get pretty little purple flowers. That's nice.
Okay, let's water them in. Here's our little wheelbarrow fairy garden. We've got some thyme out front, and then we've got this little plant. Not sure what that's called. And then I put the other ones all around the outside. And they should grow tall. I mind you what the little house looks like. It's got the pink door that David made, the new roof I put on it. And if we go around here, you can see the flowers. Hopefully these will all just grow nice and big and make a little forest right around the house. So I think that looks pretty cute for a little fairy garden. Thank you very much for watching Fairy Garden Thursday, and my next video is Sunday Home Reset. Okay, we'll see you then. Bye.